Extreme political tension gripped the Kadamtala Kurti assembly area in Tripura's North District on Wednesday morning. The main opposition party in Tripura, CPIM, was reportedly forced to abandon its program midway and retreat due to threats from the ruling party, the BJP. The CPIM had announced a road blockade program near Kadamtala block office to demand a restoration of the constitutional rights of the people residing on the banks of Kalagangerpar. As per the schedule, party workers and supporters led by State Secretary Amitabh Datta, MLA Islam Uddin and Chaharul Hek gathered in front of the block office. Simultaneously, the ruling BJP organized a thank you rally to congratulate the Prime Minister and Finance Minister. With both parties holding events in the same area, security arrangements were stringent. The BJP rally attempted to proceed towards the market. Police, TSR and paramilitary forces set up barricades, but they were largely ineffective. When the rally reached the CPIM office, a face-off situation erupted between the supporters of the two parties. Sensing the escalating tension, the CPIM leadership quickly left the spot and regrouped near the party office adjacent to the Kadamtala market. However, a major clash was averted due to the swift action of the police and paramilitary forces present. Finally, under pressure, the CPIM workers were virtually forced to retreat. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.